Hey dear friends on YouTube, and welcome here to Sixwheelsdown. Today we will do the next little DIY project here on our motorhome, our Thor Outlaw 37 LS. And what I'm going to do today is I bought these two small kits of LED lights for the headlights of our motorhome. And these here, they should be able to increase the light output from the headlamps by 2 to 3 times they advertise. So let's see if that really works. Now I'll try to install these. So here's what's in the boxes. So there are some small rubber gaskets here. And then we have the headlights themselves, and they should plug right into the existing plugs. They come with a little fan here in the rear, you can see, and here's the bulb itself. So there are 2 of these, and then there are 2 of these here. So I have for both kinds, both the long distance lights and also the short distance. So we should be able to replace all 4. Hey dear friends on YouTube, I'm Torkild Brunsnes and I run the channel Sixwheelsdown. My wife and I are full-time RVers and we live in our Thor Outlaw. Our goal is to travel to every state in North America. We travel with our 4 dogs, 3 Dachshunds and an English Bulldog. We have our motorcycles with us and use them to drive out to interesting places in every state. When you live in a motorhome, sometimes things break, and we will make videos of some of it. I also make music, and most of the music is recorded in the garage of our RV. So the first thing to do is, of course, to open the engine compartment here. And from here it's a bit complicated, but you can kind of see the whole light assembly is sitting here, and you have to kind of reach in here and get the sockets for the LED or for the headlights. You can turn them and hopefully pull them out. And now I just took this side here, I just went inside and turned the wheel in, so we have a bit of space to get in here. And then you will kind of see now the headlights are hanging down here, so they're easily accessible. And now I just change them out. So it looks like they just sit with these small clips here. Need to get out there on both sides. It's easier said than done. When I take the one out, the other one slips in. It seems like, no, it's not these, it's on the side here. It's those I need out. Might need a little screwdriver. Oh, here it comes. So here's the one of them. And I just push them in, and as you can see, here's the one bulb. And now I'll try to switch over to the other one. And yes, they do work. They give a very bright light. That one went right in. Just need to get the lower one. That one really causes trouble. There it came. Now the whole bulb came out again. Okay, and they're in. So I got the one set in, and I just want to record so you can see the difference. Try to see, that's a regular headlight here, the old, and now we go over to the other side. and this is the new. So it's a very much brighter light. Let's try to do the long distance beam as well. And first again, we do the old one. Now we move over here to the new one. And let's just check the lights here. Yep, they are on here on the one side. And this was the new one we just put in. Here we have the long beam. That works. And the new one here, that works too. So all in all, it looks pretty good, I would say. Thank you for watching another video here from Six Wheels Down. I hope you really enjoyed it. And for me to be able to continue to create content here for YouTube, please click the like and the subscribe button. That's the way you can help me to grow this channel and to continue create new content. Thank you for watching.